What's up everyone, it's Nick with Nexus here with the Fast Facts series. This video is going to be a continuation of last week's where we discussed the benefits of a bypass and flush kit. And in this video we're going to talk about the differences between the two kits that Nexus offers. One being the BKU bypass kit and the other being the BKF. So the first kit is going to be the BKU bypass kit, which gives you a double union connection at the bypass. And the advantage to that is we can make all the hard pipe connections in here and send this out as an assembled unit. We can also do the assembly of the other valves to this kit and send it out as a complete unit, which does offer a convenient plug-and-play option. The other kit that Nexus offers is the BKF bypass kit. It is going to have two female connections, so you can essentially adjust the height in the field with a piece of pipe based on the height of your coil. So just like any other Nexus bypass kit, these are going to be available 1/2 inch through 2 inch. Threaded, sweat, next press, next lock connections are all available. They are going to be 100% leak tested before leaving the factory, and all of them will be shipped out bagged and tagged. And you can also do a factory assembly of these kits. So that means any Nexus coil pack or Nexus hose pack can be assembled from the factory, all the hard pipe connections being made, and we can send that to the job site, bagged and tagged and 100% leak tested. Stay tuned next week where we'll talk about the Nexus Pressure Step De-Aerator. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks, guys.